Thanks for joining me on another rip with 605 Sports Cards. I'm Devin, and I'll be doing the rip today. We are going to tear into a couple of Topps Chrome 2022 blasters. We'll be getting the two pink refractors with these, and be chasing those colored parallels and some of those numbered cards here. I believe there's autos, maybe. And there's a lot on the list. Very high odds in these of not getting anything. It's a lot of packs, thousands of packs to get. You know, some of these better cards, but you never know if you don't try. So I'm going to be searching for those rookies and those short parallels. There's open both boxes here. So we just get to tearing. 4 cards in every pack. So small packs. Let's start with this side. Starting to do a little more baseball. I like these chrome cards out of the ones I've done so far. They're good looking cards. And there's first rookie, Stuart Fairchild. A little base. First look at Prism, Alex Verdugo. A Garrett Cole on the base. And a Cedric Mullins. Some nice looking cards. Nothing really too exciting there. Hopefully the more I rip, the more I'll learn about some of these baseball players. I don't follow it too close. But I know there's some good valuable cards in these. Looks like we might have a silver of Ian Happ. And Ozzie Albies. Really skimping on the rookies the first couple packs. There's an Edward Cabrera, so we got a little something back here. Got 5 cards in that pack. Kyle Tucker. Put the rookie in the wrong pile. Looks like that might be on a silver. A Jacob Reitz. Max Kepler. And there's a Heart of the City, Aaron Judge. So that is a cool looking card. Don't know if this is just an insert or a short print, but I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it up. I know Aaron Judge is a very collectible player. Some nice looking card there. Very cool. Alright. Nice skyline there with the New York in the background of it. So it's a very cool card. Manuel Clace. A Ronzi Contreras rookie card. And a Jesse Winker. I'm not sure what color that is. Maybe a green. I'm a little colorblind, so not sure. That's a 1987 to 2022 35th anniversary. So another cool card. Probably just leave them up to be safe. Looks nice. It's nothing these chrome cards in football or baseball. They just have so many parallels and different colors that go to them. Hard to keep up between all the sports on what's what. We did try our luck with the Mega Box. If you want to check that video out as well. So far, I would say I'm kind of liking these better. Sammy Long rookie, Alex Bregman, Jesus Luzardo, and that might be one of our pinks, Ryan Vilade rookie. Cool card there. See if one of these other packs short us a card. Usually when you get 5 in a pack, they pretty good at getting it back somewhere else. Matt Manning rookie. It's a nice Kettle Marty. Nice card there. and a Teoscar Hernandez. And as far as the different colors and the look of cards, I'm really liking these blasters better than that mega box. And it's only the first blaster. Lance Lynn. There's a Future Stars Casey Mize. Got a little more shine in the back. Reed Detmers. And a Byron Buxton. Another silver parallel there. Final pack of the first blaster. Been a good blaster so far. Bryce Harper. Got another one of those colors. They must not be too rare. Ernie Clement rookie. A Christian Yelich. This must be a pretty common insert to get 2 in 1. And Andre Jackson. All right. That's a little squish, so that's good luck. Not damage. Blaster number 2. Blake Snell. These cards got a really bad warp to them. Yuck. Will Castro. Brandon Belt. Kevin Hayes. And Sammy Long. Kind of the silver rookie there. Hope the whole box isn't that warped. That's pretty rough. No, you can't straighten out by, putting them on under something a little heavier. Jake Myers rookie. Harrison Bader. A Jaron Duran rookie. And a Sony Gray on the base. Whit Merrifield. Some shining back there, a little different. Nelson Cruz. There's a nice Brandon Woodruff. Good looking parallel. Andrew McCutcheon. And that might be our peak Trevor Rogers on the pink. There's one of them on that blaster box. Albert Pujols. Ooh, there's a nice looking one. Paul Goldschmidt. It's a terrible bend on these to start with. That's a nice looking parallel. Andrew McCutcheon. And a Kyle Tucker. Hopefully we get a few more rookies on some of these parallels. Vidal Brujan, rookie. Eli Morgan. There's one of the Heart of the City cards. Rafael Devers. Put it back up there. A Call Raleigh, rookie. And a Shane Boz, silver rookie. Hope you guys are enjoying this rip. As always, I appreciate any comments or feedback on any of these cards that you see. If I'm missing something that was a little better, I need a little more education on the baseball cards, but we're working on it. That's a nice Brandon Marsh. That's a nice card there. The Angels. Carlos Santana. A couple more packs left. If you also enjoy seeing other football rips, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay caught up on all the videos. I'm doing 2 or 3 a week right now. Randy Arozarena. And a Joe Ryan rookie. And our final pack of the Topps Chrome blaster box here. John Means. Byron Buxton. Emmanuel Clace on the silver. And Carson Kelly base card there ends it off. So, for me, I think these are some of our cooler cards. So, Heart of the City. Nice Brandon Marsh. Another Heart of the City with Rafael Devers. Christian Yelich. And a Jesse Winker. And kind of thumbs through some of these. There's a couple of rookies I liked out there. A nice Jaron Duran. Couple silvers there. So overall, I think they were pretty good blaster boxes. Enjoyed them. Well, if you, like I said, like and subscribe, stay caught up, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.